If your remote controller only has 6 channels, you can flash the firmware to expand it to 10 channels. First, buy an F232RO module. Connect the module to the remote control, following the wiring diagram in the picture. Power on, then long press the OK button. Enter the system menu interface. Locate firmware update and press the OK key. Press the OK key again to confirm. Then select the Yes option to confirm, and enter firmware update mode. Connect the F232RO module to the computer. Press Win+X on your keyboard and open Device Manager. You can see that the USB port is COM3 here. Double-click to open the 10-channel firmware file. Select COM3 from the COM port list. Then click Open Port. Then click the Program button. After flashing the firmware, go to Auxiliary Channels to assign functions to each channel switch. Press the OK button to enter the settings. Assign each channel position according to your operating habits. Long press the Cancel key to save the settings after configuration. You may also open the display page to verify the settings. If you need the 10-channel firmware, feel free to contact me and I will send it to you.